Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today is 1 December. So this week I have SPM Betuto. Good luck for me. Dia macam gedepan. So my school outfit to go back. So I'm going back to my hostel and good luck for me. Good luck for my friend. SPM dah. Aku dah SPM. Ew. But to be honest, I was not expecting that I dah sampai tahap ni. I tak sangka gila-gila sebab yelah macam dari video awal sampai video akhir macam we tak lama lagi nak SPM. Tinggal 1 bulan je lagi. Kira macam bulan depan lah dah start SPM sebenar. I think this is my last video. I think so. Good luck. Assalamualaikum and hi guys, I dah SPM. Tak ada lagu ke malam ni? Lagu ke malam ni? Jadi I dah lepas UBBM. UBBM ni maksudnya ujian bertutur bahasa Melayu. So I dah lepas. I don't know but 50-50 lah. And I tak sangka I dah dekat SPM and I dapat berita sedih daripada kawan-kawan I. I just wish the best for you guys out there for our SPM. You know, I know that we work so hard. Awak ni tak lama lagi nak ni speaking apa lah. I know that we work so hard in our SPM, so sikit lagi walaupun banyak je kena push tapi tak apa. Not again I did this thing. Hari ni berapa Disember 6 Disember.